Hello friends, in today's video lecture we are going to continue the discussion we have been discussing for last 3-4 lectures, which is based on the third unit in our syllabus, that is editing skills. As we have already discussed that in editing skills there are three different topics. We have already discussed about the first two topics, that is spelling as well as capital letters, and for last one lecture we are discussing about the third topic in our editing skill, that is punctuation. As I have already said that punctuation is a vast topic. Why punctuation is a vast topic? Because punctuation has different sort of punctuation marks, and all these punctuation marks are important in editing skills, and that is why we will discuss each and every punctuation mark in separate lecture. So in the last lecture we already discussed about the first and the very important punctuation mark, that is full stop. In today's video lecture we are going to discuss the second punctuation mark, that is colon. So this introduction to editing skill, as we have already discussed in the previous lectures, we have said that editing skill is very important. Why editing skill is important, why editing of any sort of document is important? It is said that editing the draft of essays, papers, speeches, letters, memorandums of report, or whatever we write, we should edit it, and then only we can give it a final draft, final shape, in which it is said that a edited text is one that conveys what the writer wants to say in clear and concise style. आपल्या मनामध्ये जे काय विचार आहेत ते स्पष्ट आणि थोडक्यात वाचकाला कळावे यासाठी एडिटिंग करणं अतिशय महत्त्वाचं आहे, आणि त्यासाठी एडिटिंग स्किल आपल्याला याचा उपयोग करणं आपल्याला आवश्यक असतं. देन फीचर्स ऑफ रीडर फ्रेंडली स्टाईल. जनरली कसं लिहावं याच्याबद्दलची माहिती जी ऑलरेडी आपण डिस्कस केलेलीच आहे. परत एकदा एक ओझरत वाचून घेऊया. लॉजिकल ऑर्गनायझेशन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट मॅटर इन वेल कनेक्टेड अँड प्रिफरेबली शॉर्ट पॅरेग्राफ्स. लॉजिकल असावं सगळं, आणि छोट्या छोट्या पॅरेग्राफ्समध्ये अनेक पॅरेग्राफ्सच्या सहाय्याने ते आपण मांडलेलं असावं. अँड द सिम्पल सेंटेन्सेस रेंजिंग फ्रॉम शॉर्ट टू मिडियम लेंथ. तसं म्हटलेलं आपण जे सेंटेन्सेस आपण वापरणार आहोत दोज सेंटेन्सेस शुड बी शॉर्ट अँड नॉट व्हेरी लेंथी साईज. अँड व्हेरायटी ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स, आपण स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ सेंटेन्सेस शिकतो, वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारची वाक्य. ती जर विविधता त्याच्यामध्ये आणता आली तर ते लेखन चांगलं होईल. अँड क्लिअरली लिंक टू अदर्स विथ द वर्ड्स लाईक फर्दर, हाऊ, वेअर, देअरफॉर. हे जे शब्द आहेत याला आपण लिंक्स असं म्हणू शकतो, किंवा कनेक्शन्स असं म्हणू शकतो, कंजंक्शन म्हणू शकतो. या कंजंक्शनच्या साहाय्याने आपण वाक्य जोडू शकतो आणि आपलं लेखन हे प्रभावी करू शकतो. देन अब्सेन्स ऑफ अननेसेसरी टेक्निकल एक्सप्रेशन्स. जे टेक्निकल एक्सप्रेशन्स आहेत की जे वाचकाला कदाचित कळायला कठीण होऊ शकेल, अशा प्रकारचे एक्सप्रेशन्स आपण टाळले पाहिजे. करेक्ट ग्रामर इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट. ग्रामरचे नियम आपण जर पाळले तरच ते लेखन एक चांगलं, अँड इट विल बी अ फ्लॉलेस रायटिंग वेन यू फॉलो ऑल द रूल्स ऑफ द ग्रामर. अँड आफ्टर दॅट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट इज करेक्ट स्पेलिंग, use of capitals and punctuation. So spelling we have already discussed in the previous lectures. Then capital also we have already discussed, and this particular lectures, some lectures we are going to discuss on punctuation. In the last lecture we have already discussed about the first punctuation mark, that is full stop, and in this video lecture we are going to continue the discussion on punctuation, second punctuation mark, and the second punctuation mark is colon. Before that, introduction's importance is given here into introduction to punctuation. Why punctuation is important? Punctuation marks such as full stop, commas, and many other different punctuation marks are conventions used in writing to make your meaning clear to the reader. आपण जे काय लिहिलेलं आहे ते जेव्हा वाचक वाचतो तेव्हा त्याला ते सगळं क्लिअर व्हावं, कुठल्या प्रकारची संदिग्धता किंवा कन्फ्युजन त्याच्या मनात राहू नये. दे डू द वर्क ऑफ पॉजेस, कुठे थांबायचं आहे, इंटोनेशन अँड एम्फेसिस हॅव इन स्पोकन लँग्वेज. आपण जरी लिहित असलो तरी जेव्हा ते वाचण्यात येतं तेव्हा तिथे सगळ्या प्रकारच्या गोष्टी आल्या पाहिजे, आणि ते व्यक्त होण्यासाठी जे आपण वापरतो ते दुसरे काही नसून पंक्च्युएशन मार्क्स आहेत, वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे पंक्च्युएशन मार्क्स. सो लेट स्टडी यूज ऑफ डिफरंट पंक्च्युएशन मार्क्स, अँड टुडेज टॉपिक ऑफ व्हिडिओ लेक्चर इज colon. So see, colon, it is mainly used to introduce a list of items. The first and the foremost use of colon is, it is said here, mainly used to introduce a list of items. Now list of items, we know very well that the list of items is separated by comma, but to introduce the list we use colon. इथे example दिला आहे, India exports many agricultural products, colon. Then rubber, comma, coffee, comma, tea, comma, rice, comma, spices. Number of items are there. They are separated by the help of comma, but the introduction of all those atoms or list of the atom is colon. So colon is used here. And moving on to the next use of colon, it is said here, sometimes they are followed by vertical lists कमिंग बिलो देम. काही गोष्टी कॉमन असतात आणि काही गोष्टी ज्यांच्यासाठी कॉमन असतात ते शब्द आपण आधी लिहितो आणि मग त्या सगळ्या कॉमन असलेल्या गोष्टींची जर व्हर्टिकल यादी तयार केली तर त्यांच्यापूर्वी आपण कोलन वापरू शकतो. द एक्झाम्पल इज गिवन ओव्हर हिअर, ऑल चिल्ड्रन नीड. नाव ऑल चिल्ड्रन नीड अँड व्हॉट द चिल्ड्रन नीड, देर इज अ लिस्ट अँड दॅट इज अ व्हर्टिकल लिस्ट. So before the vertical list we use colon. Example is here, all children need colon, then dash love and understanding, then food and opportunities to learn and to play, then companions of their age, and lastly a home where they feel happy and secure. So this is a vertical list, but before those the things or the list we have used colon. So this is the second use of colon. Moving to the next one, now we are going to discuss the very important thing, that is where colon not to use. So we have said here that colons are not used after the words such as, namely, or for example, unless the list comes below it. लक्षात घ्या, इथे जर ती लिस्ट खाली असणार नाही तर आपण कोलन वापरायची गरज नाही, पण जी जर लिस्ट ती खाली असेल तर आपल्याला कोलननी त्याची सुरुवात करायला लागेल. एक्झाम्पल इज व्हेरी क्लिअर टू यू. द युनिव्हर्सिटी ऑफर्स मेनी वोकेशनल कोर्सेस सच ॲज network engineering, fashion designing, carpentry. So the list is there, okay, but we have not used colon because we have said it should not be used after the words such as, unless the list comes below it, because there is no list, okay, below it. But see the next example, we have said, but the university offers many vocational courses such as, and there is a colon, and after that there is a list like network engineering, fashion designing, carpentry. So you can compare both the examples, the earlier example and the second example. In earlier example we have not used colon because there is no list below, but in the second example there is a use of colon because there is a list below. So this is a very minute difference where the colon is to be used and where colon is not to be used. So this is important, please keep it in mind and come to the next slide. So it is further said that colon is used to explain, give more information or summarize something. Once again, to explain or give more information or summarize something, that time we can use colon. So for example here, example number one, we know the Borkers very well. The Borkers is surname, so the people whose name is Borker, so that is why the common term is the Borkers. So see, we know the Borkers very well, colon. They used to be our neighbors in Pune. In the second example, see, Shamim is more than the officer, colon. He teaches in a village evening school. So here, in the first example, we are explaining, or we are giving more information, or in the third example, we are summarizing something. See, number 3, briefly, I have only one thing to say you, colon, persist. So here there are 3 examples. The first example is to explain, second example is to give more information, and the third example is to summarize something. So when there is such situation when we want to explain or we want to give more information or we want to summarize something, that time we use colon. So though colon we find that it is not very much used punctuation mark, but still colon is important. So this is all about colon, dear friends. Thank you for watching this video lecture. As I have already said that punctuation is a vast topic because there are various punctuation marks. In today's video lecture we have discussed about the second punctuation mark, that is colon. In the coming lectures we are discussing about the next punctuation marks. So till then, take care. Thank you. Bye.